students, let us see comparison of fractions. Okay, now you have learned about fraction, what is fraction, what is equivalent fractions. Okay, now you are going to compare the fractions. When you compare the fractions, now you are going to learn with the same denominator then with the same numerator. Okay, first let us see with the same denominator how we are going to compare the fractions. Okay, now see here, I have because it takes time, so I have drawn the boxes. So here I am shading one box. Okay, so what is going to be the fraction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. Total number is 5. So that is going to be the denominator and the numerator is 1. Okay, now see here, I am going to shade 2 boxes. So the denominator is 5 and the numerator is 2. Okay, now I am going to shade 3 boxes. Okay, the numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. Okay, as you know to write the fraction. Now I am going to shade 4 boxes. Okay, I am going to shade 4 boxes. So the fraction is 4 by 5. Okay, now we are going to compare these fractions. See, in all the fractions we have denominator 5. All the fractions we have same denominator. Okay, only the numerator is different. Okay, now 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box. As you see the figure, you can say this is the smallest, then next this one, then this is the biggest, you can say, isn't it so? So let us write in ascending order. Okay, when we write in ascending order, we can surely understand which is the smallest. So 1 by 5 is the smallest portion, isn't it so? It has smallest portion. Then what will be the next one? 2 by 5. Then next one 3 by 5. Then next one 4 by 5. By looking at these figures, you can say this is the smallest one, then next to this one, and then this one, and then this one. So when we have the same denominator, we have to see the numerator. As you write 1, the smallest 2, 3, 4, as you write in ascending order, these fractions also you have to write in ascending order. So when you have the same denominator, there is no problem at all. Just you have to write as usual, the whole numbers you write in ascending order. The same way you have to follow, you write in ascending order as usual. Okay, but here when you have different denominator but same numerator. Okay, see here I am going to shade 1 box. Numerator must be 1. Same numerator I said, no? So 1 box. Let me shade 1 box. Okay. Let me write the fraction. So here total number of parts 2 and shaded 1. So here total 3 and shaded 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 and 1 shaded. Okay. And here total 5 and 1 shaded. Okay, now see the figure. Anyway, everywhere we have shaded only one box, isn't it so? But when as the numerator is smaller, the value is greater. As the denominator is increases, as when the denominator is smaller, the value is greater. As the denominator smaller, the value is greater. See here, 2 only we have divided into 2 parts and we got this much big. And divided by 3 parts, little lesser. When we divide by 4, it is lesser than that. When divide by 5, it is lesser than that, isn't it? So, denominator increases, the value decreases. Denominator increases, the value decreases. Denominator जब बढ़ते जाएगा उसका वैल्यू कम होते जाएगा. ये फिगर देके आपको समझ में आएगा. 2 में देखो डिनोमिनेटर 2 में इतना बड़ा है लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर 5 में बहुत छोटा हो गया है कि नहीं. डिनोमिनेटर 5 में बहुत छोटा हो गया. जैसे आपके घर में 2 बच्चे हैं, आपके पापा चॉकलेट लेके आते हैं, 2 बच्चे के लिए डिवाइड करना है, हाफ डिवाइड करेंगे तो बड़ा पीस मिलेगा. ठीक है. अगर आपके घर में आपके फ्रेंड्स भी आ गए तो टोटल 5 बच्चे हो गए. ठीक है. अब अगर एक ही चॉकलेट आपके पापा लेके आ रहे हैं, उसको डिवाइड 5 पार्ट्स में करेंगे तो आपके लिए चॉकलेट पीस छोटा हो जाएगा, है कि नहीं. चॉकलेट पीसेस छोटा हो जाएगा. तो इसलिए यहां पर भी यही लॉजिक है. तो यहां जैसे डिनोमिनेटर इंक्रीज होते जाएगा उसका वैल्यू कम होते जाएगा. जितना ज्यादा लोग होंगे शेयर करने के लिए आपके चॉकलेट पीसेस उतना छोटा हो जाएगा, है कि नहीं. तो इसलिए यहां पर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या लिखेंगे, द bigger number in the denominator because it has the lower value. Then the next one 1/4, the next one 1/3, next one 1/2. Okay, when you see the denominator you have to think that when you have greater number the value is smaller. When you have greater number the value is smaller. Okay, but here it is not the matter. Here when you see the numerator, as usual, as you write for whole number you have to write this one. But when you see the denominator you have to think just opposite. Okay, you have to think just opposite. Okay, you have to just see the greater number has lesser value. The greater number has lesser value. So you have to write the biggest number as small number here, then 1/4, 1/3, 1/2. Have you understood the difference between these two? Different with a different numerator and with a different denominator. Okay, watch this video again and again, you will understand better. Then in the next video we will see the exercise. Thank you.
Here we go.